How to translate files using DeepL Translate. So I have in here this PDF file that is actually in English and I want to translate it to another language. In order to do that, head over to deepl.com. You don't need to sign up. And then you can see in here this translate files option. So for this case, you need to sign up for this files, but if you just need to translate, you don't need to sign up. But if you want to translate files, you need to sign up for free. Head over and click on the sign up for free right here and then just log in using your email. I'll head over and then input in here mine. Now you just need to set a password and then create an account from in here. So in here, you just need to verify you're human by just trying to answer some CAPTCHA and then it will clear you for this. So from in there, you just need to head over and then see that you have now signed in. Now head over right here to the translate files option and then just put in here the files that you want. Click on the select from your computer and then in here we have this. Let's head over and open it, and as you can see, this will upload that particular file onto our DeepL. Now the language is English but it hasn't been detected yet, so let's head over and translate it into another language. For example, let's translate it into Korean. You can click on this Korean right here and then click on this translate into Korean, and then this will translate the file that we have attached into Korean. So let's just wait for this. As you can see, the translation has been done and you can see in here that it actually automatically downloaded it. So you can head over and then open that, and then from in there you should be able to see it and it will open unprotected view since it's from computer is here as well. So in here, as you can see, it will show you this page. And now you can see that we have this. Now you can see that we have now a more structured Korean text. So you need to make sure that your actual word is on the word page right here that you can add it and not a picture page, because if that happens, then it won't translate it. So make sure that it's on text just like this. How you translate files using DeepL Translate. Hope we helped.